is an honor this morning to be here to be a part of the civil service, the launch of the recognition of civil servants in Jamaica. We are a very sophisticated workforce, very sophisticated, and many of us are internationally recognized.
The overall efficient functioning of Jamaica as part of the modern global economy is highly dependent on the work that all of you do. You are the engine of economic development.
Whether it is a sound constitution, as we have in Jamaica, the rule of law and an independent court system, as we have in Jamaica, none of this is possible to succeed unless we add the other pillar, which is a sound, independent, efficient civil service.
We have seen the time lag for processing documents and turnaround times being reduced in some areas. And we have seen transactions can now be done through new channels online, and the overlaps in some departments have been greatly reduced.
An important element of our achievement of the status as one of the 10 most improved economies in the world is due to the performance of our civil servants, who have in fact given efficient service facilitating investments in Jamaica and facilitating the ordinary citizens.
The commendable reforms already undertaken in the public sector will require diligence and an uncompromising commitment to delivering high-quality service right across the board.
You get a tour of Port Charles as well as of Port Royal Town. Right, and it ends at Glorious.
The decisions we make every day as civil servants have an impact on the provision of high-quality services and sustainable development. We are committed to transformational action to strengthen capacity, service delivery, and institutions.
Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
It is an honor for us all to be here on this occasion of the Jamaica Civil Service Long Service Awards ceremony.
I feel grateful in that, our services as civil servants can be recognized. I'm really appreciative of this service.
I'm feeling thankful. The work that I do, I'm really happy about it. I work with the child fertility department.
I am grateful to be recognized for long and sterling service. It feels good. Yeah, we are some of the unsung heroes.
I feel first blessed, and then extremely honored that my colleagues have seen something and felt that I deserve to be honored or awarded for it. I want to do something with the children's home. I want to do something, it's something that is dear to my heart. I want to look at how we can perhaps implement something or establish something that when, for example, a civil servant passes on, and if the person has like children or so on, a sort of support.